Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera students. So we're going to learn about the remaining three factors affecting the rate of evaporation. So how this evaporation occurs, okay, macam mana penjatan ni berlaku, okay, macam mana air hilang daripada permukaan, okay, how the water lost from the surface of a liquid. There are four factors. So I have discussed about the temperature, right? So next we're going to discuss about the humidity. Okay, so we're going to discuss about humidity. So humidity is it's related to the amount of water vapor. Okay, kelembapan dalam bahasa Melayu. So lagi tinggi kelembapan, lagi basahlah benda tu. Okay, lembab, makin lembab. So when there is a higher amount of humidity, the water vapor will also increase, or vice versa. Okay, when there is high amount of water vapor, then humidity will also increase. So that's kind of related to each other. Okay, so humidity, what's humidity? So humidity is regarding the water vapor in the air. Okay, so how your air will be moist is because of the water vapor. So when you have like a moist surrounding air, this means it has a really high humidity. When you have a drier air, okay, this means you will have lower humidity. So when you have like lower humidity, this means it will be dry, right? The air will be dry. So when the air will be dry, so evaporation will be much more faster or much more efficient. Okay, so when the humidity is low, the air will become dry and it evaporates faster. Okay, it evaporates efficiently. So this means the lower the water vapor, this means the higher the rate of evaporation. And the higher the water vapor, the lower the rate of evaporation. So maksudnya makin lembab, makin basah, okay, udara sekeliling kita, makin lambatlah proses penyejatan evaporation. But makin tinggi humidity, makin lembab, makin basah, so makin lambatlah evaporation. Here is how the difference between the evaporation and also the surrounding water vapor. Okay, so if you have any question, you can always ask me. Okay, so we will continue with the surface area. Okay, so yang ni lagi tinggi humidity, lagi rendahlah yang evaporation. So vice versa macam tu. Okay, makin lembab. So bila dia basah-basah, susahlah mau kering, right? So you have another one, the third factor affects the evaporation is the surface area. So surface area ataupun luas permukaan. Okay, so surface area is the rate of evaporation determined by the area of the exposed surface of water. This means if you have bigger area that's exposed to sunlight or exposed to heat, for example, this means the evaporation will also be faster, will be more efficient, and will be easier. Okay, so for example, if I have container, okay, a big container full of water, contohnya, when we have sunlight, so when you put it out, it will evaporate faster. Why? Because this surface area of water will be exposed more to the sunlight. So maksudnya permukaan air yang kena pada cahaya matahari ni banyak. Banding if I only give you like a small container, okay, with full of water dekat bawah. Banyak air, tapi lubang dia kecil. So when you have the sunlight, so you only be able to go here. Okay, so it will take long time for it to evaporate completely. Okay, so dia ambil masa yang lama untuk sejat. Kenapa? Sebab lubang dia kecil saja. So haba susah mau masuk. It's similar when you hang your clothes. It is why if you ever help your mom to hang your clothes, your mom will be, you have to hang it properly so it will dry faster. Okay, when you hang your clothes, it's supposed to be it's supposed to be properly hang with the cloths and the pin all over it. Bukannya kamu main lipat-lipat saja. Contohnya lipat, terus buang je lah dekat tempayan. No. Because you want surface area. When this bigger surface area contact with the heat from the sun, then it will evaporate faster, dia betul. Tapi kalau contoh lah kan, I have kain besar macam ni, ejemur. Compared to when I have like one small towel. Okay, one small towel, no, it's actually the same size, but then I fold into 6, for example, and then this I will fold into 2. So this will dry faster compared to this. The same towel, but you fold into 6. Okay, why? Because the surface area. Benda ni ikut logik. Mestilah ni cepat panas, cepat tersejat sebab dia kena matahari. Tapi ni berlipat-lipat, macam mana matahari mau kena? So you have to have like a higher, bigger surface area for it to dry faster, for it to have a good rate of evaporation. Okay, so macam ni, for example, surface area. Okay, so I have like a ball. Okay, and then I have like, when I put it under the sun, maybe I put in the lawn. Okay, so for example, I have a ball filled with water, or maybe, I don't know what's this, orange juice. No, okay, filled with the liquid. Okay, filled with the liquid, and then we have also another small glass filled with liquid. Okay, half of this, and then we have sun over here, for example. Okay, so this liquid inside this bowl, it will evaporate faster compared to the one in this glass or in this cup. Why? Okay, why? Because the surface area that will in contact with the sunlight or will in contact with the heat lagi banyak. Okay, ni tengok cepat kering sebab dia terdedah dengan cahaya matahari banyak. Banding dengan ni sikit saja, macam mana mau kering? So you have to have like a bigger surface area. Okay, so when you have like small area, susah dia mau kering. Banding dengan this large surface area, okay, senang dia mau kering. Okay, so this senang mau kering, so your evaporation will also be increased when you have large surface area compared to a small surface area. Okay, and yeah, so we have the last factor, which is the wind. Okay, which is the wind speed, or the air speed of the surrounding. So you have, for example, here the wind speed. Okay, this affects the rate of water intake because it increases the evaporation from the leaf surface. Okay, so wind speed, for example, is easier if you ever use like a hair dryer. So when you use a hair dryer, you blow your hair, okay, and it will take much faster to dry compared to when you only wipe it with a towel. Why? Because of the wind speed. When the wind speed is high, it will cause evaporation to be faster. So your hair will dry faster. Okay, and also together with the temperature, surrounding temperature, when you blow, it's hot and it's also have that wind speed, so your hair will dry faster, and that's how evaporation will be faster. Okay, and compared to the ones if you dry your hair just by using a piece of towel. Okay, so that's what does it mean by wind speed. Okay, so for example, if I have two containers, okay, two container, same size of container with the same amount of liquid, and then I put under the sun. Okay, I have A and I have B. So A is just under the sun, just like that, waiting for it to be completely evaporated. And B I have with a fan. Okay, so I have this wind speed. So when this try to evaporate, when the sun tries to evaporate this, it will be much faster and it will be much easier because of the wind. Okay, it will be much faster and easier of evaporation because of the wind. So when you have like wind ataupun increased speed of the air tinggi, then your evaporation rate will also be increased. Okay, di bila kamu ada angin, dia akan cepat kering. Sama lah macam baju juga. Cuba bayangkan kamu sidai baju dekat tempat yang kuat angin. Okay, dia akan cepat kering. Banding dengan kamu sidai baju dekat tempat yang tidak ada angin, tidak panas gitu kan. Jadi dia akan mempengaruhi kamu punya proses penyejatan. Okay, it will affect your process of evaporation when you have like a fan, when you have like a wind, it will increase tremendously your evaporation, rate of evaporation. Okay, so if you have any question, you can always ask me. You can always rewind this video, okay? And we will discuss about the other chapters of Form 2.